Ganyan ka. Racquel? Heidi? Ganyan kasi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Good, good. Di agkap kababa ka kasta. Like mother, like daughter, eh? That's good. Oh, yeah. Your mother? Seriously? So loud. Can hear the whole store. Even customer, they say your mom so loud. Like this, like that.
Dia klase. Dia klase.
Philippine people have pimple. You know, you drink the medicine from Chinese store. You drink, your pimple gone. It's all natural.
What?
Natural, no side effect, you know.
What?
Natural,
What's that?
natural from fruit, vegetable.
What's that? Ulalay inside. Ulalay.
Oh la la, inside.
Ulalay.
That's good. Why you girls learn so much English? Oh, because we have it in our country. Really? In Vietnam, only English. No English at all. Only math, business. By that. Tapos dinamag ko, how come so many Asian in Canada, in the Philippines, everywhere? Oh, because in 1970, you know, during the World War, everybody go everywhere. They kill people, especially girls. I'm sorry.